Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So PixelTap, let's go straight into the combo. But if you open your app for today, you see that there's a new upgrade. You can see there's this daily limit boost. I don't really know what that means. I'm just seeing it for the first time and it looks kind of nice, but I'm gonna be telling you guys how to use this on our feature video where I'll be talking about daily combo. I'll just brief you guys on how to use this when I figure it out. Okay, let's go straight, claim this. And as you guys all know, I keep telling you, you would actually find this very important. Make sure you level up one of your robots to level 39. Let's go ahead. I'm just gonna go ahead and just upgrade one of these guys here, one level up. I think upgrading all your bots to the maximum level is the best thing to do, so that you can actually start accumulating after you've leveled up all your, and mind you, the highest level is level 39. Like for instance, this one here, if I try to upgrade it, you can see that's the highest level. Actually, that's the highest level. I can't go past, except they bring out more upgrade. Okay, so let's go out of this part and then just go ahead to rewards. So for the rewards right now, there's actually a new tax, guys, the wheel. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, but for now, let's just go through, claim our daily reward. And after claiming the daily reward, let's do the daily combo. So for the daily combo right now, I'm just going to zoom it a little bit closer. Just pay attention to the 4 boxes right here. So the first card on the list is going to be this one. The second card is going to be this guy just right here. Okay, the third one is going to be this one here. The fourth guy is going to be this one just right here. So pay attention to these 4 cards. Make sure you are actually inputting these 4 cards. Very, very important. Let's go ahead right now and just check it out. So upon checking, you can see that we got our 100%, and I got 18 million from this. So I can just go ahead and just click on claim. Okay, after claiming it, let's go now to the this new tax. It says spin the wheel. Let's go ahead and spin the wheel, spin for a reward. If I click on spin, it actually just tries to spin it for me. I think, okay, now it give me 2x daily income, and I have 2 more spins. I'm just going to reserve this for later, or based on making this video short. But as you can see right now, I already showed you guys what it really means on having this daily boost. Okay, they said I'm gonna be come here and activate it. So right now I have 2x boost for the next 24 hours. That's nice, guys. Claim this, and daily limit activated. So you can see, guys, we'll be getting a daily boost of 2x. Okay, basically very easy to use. Okay, so I'm just gonna end this video here right now. See you guys in the next one, and peace out.